Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? Guys, I have missed you guys so much. Who tell una say I no miss una? If anybody tell una say I no miss una, that person dey lie. I miss my Facebook family, I miss my YouTube fam, and I miss my TikTok fam. Like, I really miss you guys so much. Even though say we not to get followers and engagement, but it's okay. Now wetin we love to do be that. I really miss you guys. I miss everybody. This is my first video of the year. My first video since last year. I never filmed video. Now my first video be this. I think it's not even reach close to 1 year, so I never carry camera come and say I want film video for this house. It has been busy. I don't even know how to film video again. You can see this video now is not too quality. The quality is not given because I don't forget Mona come to my rescue. I dey joke oh. So but anyway, this video not to give quality because already dey fall today and I don't know how to record video again oh. I don't fit talk am before abi. So guys, this video is just to tell you guys that happy new year to you all. I am back. So content creating, people say this woman say don't come back, we not see her again. I am back now. At least they give you a video once in a while now, okay, before I go dey less busy. Okay, so this is the set of pots I got, and these pots are so beautiful. This pot they know they bought food, unlike the one wey I buy that December period. You get one pot wey I buy, one I bought with una for year. That pot new pot wey I don't need buy, they burn food. I don't throw away that pot anyway. So this one no dey burn food. This one a regional pot and I love it. In case if you want to buy pot this year, use this video now. Just save her say you want buy pot this year. No let this year pass you by, okay? And they are doing sales now. If you want to buy pots, go to Casanova and get yours. It's very cheap and very nice, okay? All right guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is the set of pots I got. They are so beautiful. Bye guys, love you.